Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Doctors told what products help to strengthen dental health. Our digestive system starts working immediately after we take the first bite. Those who understand how important nutrition is to stay healthy also understand how important strong teeth are to us. However, without proper care, plaque appears on them, they become hollow and fragile, writes Times Now. Oral hygiene is key to keeping your teeth healthy. But other aspects, in particular nutrition, are also of great importance. Specialists emphasize the importance of certain nutrients, such as vitamins C and D, as well as calcium. Calcium and vitamin D can only be beneficial for teeth and bones when paired. Lack of any of these substances will make teeth brittle and can lead to tooth loss. And vitamin C is known to help maintain gum health. Here are 5 foods that will provide you with the nutrients and health you need for your teeth. Fruits rich in vitamin C: oranges, kiwi, lemons, etc., contain a large amount of vitamin C. It is also abundant in some vegetables, in particular cabbage, bell peppers and broccoli. They will strengthen your gums and help reduce swelling. Dairy, milk, yogurt, cheese, sour cream, all these foods are rich in calcium and vitamin D. This is one of the main reasons that it is recommended to be included in the diet of children and people who are recovering from fractures. Eggs. Eggs are most well known as a source of protein, but they also contain calcium and vitamin D. Therefore, among other benefits, they can improve the health of your teeth. Water. Water is very important for our body. For example, it helps to cleanse the mouth and improve saliva flow. Green tea. Green tea is a source of antioxidants. They promote weight loss and also inhibit the growth of bacteria in the mouth, reducing the risk of tooth and gum disease. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.